Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Assistant coach of Jamaica's under-17 football team, Vassar Reynolds, has praised the national under-20 team for a professional job done in qualifying for the CONCACAF Championship this summer and move a step closer to World Cup qualification. A Jabari Howell goal saw the under-20 Reggae boys book their spot to the 12-team tournament following a 1-0 win against Puerto Rico in a top-of-the-table Group B clash in Curacao on Tuesday night. Howell's 32nd minute free kick ensured Jamaica stayed unbeaten in the competition and topped the group with a perfect 15 points while also keeping 5 clean sheets. According to Vassar, who is the assistant coach for the under-17 team that has qualified for their age group World Cup, this speaks volumes to where football is in Jamaica at the moment.
It's a tremendous feat, and this latest achievement to go along with the recent qualification of the U17 males team to the World Cup. It's a great achievement, and it puts the football in the country now in a good place. And I'm certain that the work that is to be done to get the team ready for the next stage of the qualification will be attended to carefully. And it also shows that the future of the football in the country, it looks good.
Jamaica will play in the CONCACAF U20 Championship, which run from July 24 to August 9. The young Reggae boys must finish in the top 4 in order to qualify for the 2027 FIFA Under-20 World Cup. Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA will have an opportunity to cut the deficit on Montego Bay United to 3 points at the top of the Jamaica Premier League table as they take on Tivoli Gardens FC in a rescheduled game today at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex starting at 3:30 p.m. In what could be their final game before leaving for their CONCACAF Champions Cup first leg meeting with LA Galaxy on March 11, the team from St. Anne goes into the contest just 6 points behind the leaders. The last time the two teams met, Mount Pleasant came out on top 5-0 at the Draxall Sports Complex. However, with the team from St. Anne struggling for consistency, it could offer Tivoli Gardens an opportunity to get 3 points at home, which would see them move within a point of the top 6.
It's a game by game. I think we keep improving as a team. We want to be consistent. I think what happened to us was the break in between, so we haven't gotten to get in the kind of rhythm that we want. But game by game, we keep improving as a team.
Finally, there is a possibility that the West Indies may not get back to the Caribbean until the end of the ongoing ICC T20 World Cup, depending on the result in Thursday's semi-final between England and India. Cricket West Indies on Monday confirmed to TVJ Sports through CEO Chris Derring that alternative travel arrangements are now being finalized with the International Cricket Council, which could see the West Indies men back in the Caribbean by the end of the week. This is due to the disruption caused to commercial routes due to the ongoing military tensions between the United States and Iran, triggering airspace closures across parts of the Middle East and delaying the team's departure from India following their elimination from the ICC Men's T20 World Cup on Sunday. Meanwhile, TVJ Sports understands that the ICC could be looking to book one chartered flight for both the West Indies and England to fly to the UK. Should that be the decision, it means that a win for England over India on Thursday could see the Windies remaining in India until at least Sunday. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
Thank you, Renato. And that's the Midday News Package. I am Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.